Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can draw by hand in your whiteboard presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. Head over to your whiteboard on Microsoft Whiteboard and let me go with this one here. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that list of or that menu here at the top, at the bottom, with that select tool, the pen tool, and also the drawing tool here. It's called inking here on Whiteboard. So if you'd like to draw by hand, guys, simply left click into it, and after that you will be given access to that sub menu here. So you may select, for example, a pen or a red pen, that one here, or a marker or highlighter, or use the partial eraser, and so on and so forth. So let me go with that pen here, click into it, and you may select or click into it again to adjust its weight or thickness here, the transparency, the color. You may also add custom colors by clicking this button. You may select, for example, single arrows or double-headed arrows. Go with a rainbow color like this. So as you can see, you can customize your pen tool quite a lot. And what you want to do is simply select your color. Let me go with this one here. Let me also adjust the transparency and choose larger thickness. And after that, simply left click into your canvas, just like that, and draw, for example, like a smiley like this. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.